In this video, we shall compute the inverse of a 3 by 3 matrix. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. Solution. We know that the inverse of a 3 by 3 matrix is given as 1 all over the determinant of A multiplied by the adjugate of A. So the first thing to find is to find the determinant. We shall first find the determinant of A. So the determinant of A is equal to, here we have 1 into 4506 plus 2. We have, ignore this, so you have 0516. 0516. 3. We have this negative. Here we have positive, negative, positive. So the next one we have less 3 to give us, you ignore the whole of this, 0410. 0410. So the determinant will be 1 multiplied by 4 times 6 is 24 minus 0 minus 2 into 0 minus 5 plus 3 into 0 minus 4, which is equal to 1 into 24 minus 2 into minus 5 plus 3 into minus 4. So we have 24, because of this negative sign, 2 times 5 is 10. Because of this negative sign, 3 times minus 4 is minus 12. So we have here to be 24 plus 10, which is 34, minus 1, 2. So this will give us here 2 and this 2. So our determinant of A is equal to 22. The next thing to find is the adjugate of A. And we already know that the adjugate of A is equal to the co-transpose of A. Now, we have to write the co-transpose of this matrix. We have to write it out. That is 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, 5, and 1, 0, 6 is the matrix. The co-transpose can be written as C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32, and C33. So this is plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. So this is how we go about the co-transpose. Each of these will represent this, and this is what we use to find the co-transpose. So we will now delete this first. We erase this so that we can get some space. So the co-transpose of C11, C11 will be equal to, what is this? Like this is plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. I'm doing this so that it will be very easy to compute the whole transpose. So C11 will give us, the first one is positive, it will now give us 4506, which is equal to 24 minus 0. C12 is equal to minus C12. So we ignore the whole of this and this. So we get 0516. 0516. And our sign is here. So we have negative 0 minus 5. Here is equal to 24. This is equal to 5. C13. C13 is positive. So we have C133. 0410. 0410, which is equal to 0 minus 4, which is equal to negative 4. We have C21, which is a negative sign. It gives us the whole of this figure, the whole of this figure. So we are left with 2306. 2306, which is equal to negative 12 minus 0, which is negative 12. We have C22, which is equal to positive C224. The whole of this will go, the whole of this will go. So we have 13 and 16. So we have 13 and 16, which is equal to this multiplied by this 6 minus 3, which is equal to 3. Because of space, we'll still come back to this. You remember that our determinant, you shouldn't forget, our determinant of A is equal to 22. So we move it back to this side of the board. So we have to maximize our space. So we have C23, 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 which is a negative sign, C23. So the whole of this will go, we have 1210, 1210, which is equal to 0 minus 2. So negative 0 minus 2, which is equal to 2. We now have C31, C31 equal to negative 0, C31, which is equal to C31 positive. We have this, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, which is equal to 10 minus 12, which is equal to minus 2. We have C32. C32 is negative. So we have negative this and this. So we have 1305. 1305, which is equal to negative 5 minus 0, which is negative 5. And lastly, we have C33. C33, which is positive. So we have this 1204. 1204, which is equal to 4 minus 0, which is equal to 4. That is what we have. So this is the matrix given. This is our cofactor. And we've gotten all the values for our cofactor. We've gotten all the values for our cofactor. The next thing to do is to input these values into our cofactor. We input the values. Now, we start input the values. Remember, our determinant is 22. So we still delete the whole of this. We delete this because we don't need it. So we have for our cofactors, that is the adjugate of A. We said it's our cofactor transpose of A. And we have our cofactors to be equal to now C11 24, C125, C13 is negative 4, C21 is negative 12, C22 is 3, C23 is 2, C31 is negative 2, C32 is negative 5, C33 is 4. So if we transpose this, we get, if we transpose this whole value, we get 24, negative 12, and negative 2. Then we have 5, 3, and negative 5. Also, negative 4, 2, and 4. So this is our C transpose. This is our transpose of A, which is our adjoint of A. So now, to write our answer, like we said, the inverse of A is equal to 1 all over the determinant of A multiplied by the adjugate of A. Now, we have it as 1 all over 22 multiplied by 24, negative 12, negative 2, 5, 3, negative 5, negative 4, 2, and 4. So this becomes our inverse of A. This becomes our inverse of A. Also, if you wish to write it the other way around, if you wish to write this our answer the other way around, we can write it as we can write our answer we can write it as A inverse to be equal to 24 all over 22, negative 12 all over 22, negative 2 all over 22, 5 all over 22, 3 all over 22, negative 5 all over 22, negative 4 all over 22, then 2 all over 22, and 4 all over 22. So this becomes our answer as well. If we want to break it down, we still break it down further. So this becomes our answer for the inverse of a 3 by 3 matrix. What we did, we found the determinant of A. We also found the adjoint of A. And we said the adjoint of A is the cofactors. We found the cofactors and now transpose it. When we transpose the cofactors, we got this. Now we multiply it by the determinant, 1 all over the determinant. So this is how we can obtain the inverse of a 3 by 3 matrix.